Hey guys, what's up? This is the Backbencher. If you want to learn cool stuff about architecture and design, be sure to subscribe. HDRI. Where do I even begin? A few days ago, an editor asked me about how to use HDRI. So, this is a quick tutorial. Firstly, make sure you have some HDRI images on your hand. That's logical, right? Links in the description. After setting the map, we need to work out some magnitudes. I'm trying 50 over here just to see how much it works. In UVW, set it to UVW Gen environment. Because the mapping type is spherical, this spherical image will overlay perfectly on your background. Try out some exposure values to see how this works for you. Now, just to show off how awesome this feature really is, I'm trying some different materials. Switch off any lights for now, use only HDRI. Now that these materials are set, let's see how each and every material interacts with each other and the environment around it. As you can see here, the reflective material reflects, the refractive material refracts, and the solid material looks kinda dumb. Now just by replacing the HDRI image, you can have a completely different effect over here. It's really fun to play around. Try it out. Now I should probably mention over here, there are many kinds of HDRI images, but mainly there are two kinds, the exteriors and the interiors. Both types of images have light sources. For exterior images, you have the sun. For interior images, you have some or the other window, or maybe there's a ceiling light. These are just meant to create that illusion of your object being inside a space. Whoa, looks like we are in a David Fincher movie. Also, these images are editable in Photoshop, so it will be a lot of fun to try out different options of these same images. Now there's an option of doing a filter blur in all your HDRI images. You can basically blur the image to your content and see how much field of view you want to keep. Here are some of my renders. So that's it guys. I hope you had fun, especially that certain redditor. This is the Backbencher signing off.